Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Minutes from the world renowned Ocho and Montego Bay is a home, an investment, or a tropical opportunity. Tranquility, income, and island living all in one property. Endless possibilities in peaceful Rio Nuevo, St. Mary. Discover this versatile two-story home in the peaceful Rio Nuevo community, just minutes from beautiful beaches, the Ian Fleming International Airport, major hotels, and popular tourist attractions. Currently configured into three self-contained units, the home offers flexibility for rental income, multifamily living, or conversion back to a single family residence. Set on over a quarter acre of lush, fruit-laden land with mango, banana, breadfruit, and moringa tree, which are renowned for their health benefits. This property is a unique blend of comfort, potential, and island charm. With your personal touch and a little TLC, it can become the home or investment you have been searching for. Call today to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 56.5 million, US 358.1 thousand, Canadian 512.6 thousand, or 278.3 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.